Welcome to the online English class, Grade 1, Family and Friends, National Edition. Today, we are going to study Unit Taster, Lesson 3 and 4, page 6 and 7. Before studying, you should prepare student book, workbook, one notebook, and one pencil. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Now, students, come to the first part. Warm up. Listen to the song and sing together.
Can you make the letter sound? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter A. This is a capital A. This is a lowercase a. You know how the A looks now. Let's make the letter A sound. Yes! A is for ant. A is for apple. A is for astronauts. A is for ace. A is for arrow. A is for anchor. You know some A words now. Let's make the letter A sound.
I hope you like this song and ready to begin the new lesson, Sounds and Letters. From this song, can you guess which sounds and letter we are going to study now? Please come to Activity 1, listen, point, and repeat. The first, you listen and point to the letters and the pictures.
A. Apple. A. Annie.
Look at the pictures in the student book, and then you are going to hear a recording of the letter A.
Letter A.
A.
Now, students, look at the model writing carefully. Okay, well done my lovely students. The second, you listen and repeat the sounds and the words.
A. Apple. A. Apple. A. Annie. A. Annie.
Listen again and repeat.
A. Apple. A. Apple.
Remember that the same in Vietnam. In English, people's name begin with a capital letter. For example, the name Annie begin with a capital letter A. You got it?
Annie. Annie. Annie.
Good job! It's time to move activity 2. Listen and chant. Now, I play the recording for you to listen to the chant.
Listening 8. Listen and chant.
Ah, ah, ah. Apple, apple, apple. Annie's got an apple. Ah, ah, ah.
Listen to the chant once more time and repeat.
Listening 8. Listen and chant.
Ah, ah, ah. Apple, apple, apple. Annie's got an apple. Ah, ah, ah.
Wow, amazing! You did very well. And now we come to activity 3. Point to the letter A. Stick the stickers. In this part, let's find down sticker letter A at the end of the book. You stick the stickers letter A in the correct position in your student book, saying apples as you do. Now, look at my screen and check the correct answer. I think it's very easy for you to finish these activities. Let's come to the lesson 4, numbers. First of all, listen to one small song.
Left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Make a pair. 1, 2. Everybody halt. Let's start singing. 1, 2, 1, 2. A pair of glasses. 1, 2, 1, 2. A pair of shoes. 1, 2, 1, 2. A pair of wheels. We're a pair to make a pair. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is number 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is number 2. Two of us can make a pair.
Very interesting song, isn't it? The song is about the number 1 and number 2. And the first part of the lesson is listen, point, and repeat. The first, you listen and point to the pictures of the first apple and say 1 apple. And then point to the pictures of 2 apples and say 2 apples. After that, you can trace and write the number by your pencils in the book.
Listening 10. Listen, point, and repeat. 1, 2,
Excellent students, we move activity 2, point and sing. In this part, I'm going to play the song for you to listen to and point to the pictures when you hear the words.
Listening 11. Point and sing.
Two.
Listen and sing again to remember number 1 and number 2.
Listening 11. Point and sing.
Two.
Today, you study very well. I hope you remember number 1 and number 2. Let's count and say. In activity 3, you look at the pictures of the apples. For example, I point to each of the 2 apples and count them 1, 2 and say 1, 2, 2 apples. Don't forget to emphasize the sounds of the plural apples. Are you ready to count and say the second pictures? Okay, well done. 1 apple. And the third pictures. How many apples you can count? Very good. There are 2 apples. The last activity is point, mark, and say. You point and say the numbers on the left. Look at the first pictures and say 1 apple, and then you draw a line. Match the first pictures with the number 1. With the picture 2, you can see 2 apples. So, you draw a line. Mark the second pictures with the number 2. You study so well. I'm happy when you understanding the contents of the lesson today. Don't forget to do the exercise as page number 6 and number 7 in the workbook. It's time to say goodbye now and see you again.
Bye bye, goodbye.